Hey guys, Chanchal this side, and this is MantSent, your Mantle-native wallet intelligence agent, which tracks your wallet and detects any kind of abnormal transactions that are happening in your wallet via the policy which you set it, like via the policy guidelines which you set it, and it gives back every kind of auditable proof as well as the data for your analysis for every kind of data required to analyze situations, and the agent over time gets better by giving it your feedback, and that's how it gets better over time. So the idea behind this is simple basically. So instead of manually going to the block explorer for your wallet and checking it manually whether this is an abnormal transaction or not, let your agent do the work. Let your MantSent agent do the work, and it gives back, like if it detects an abnormal transaction, it gives back an alert via Telegram, and every kind of data behind it and an auditable proof. So this is particularly useful for whales and contract protocols, and those kind of big contract, like those kind of wallets, which even the minute of transaction abnormality signals is a big risk, and like this is useful for everybody, but particularly useful for whales and big contract protocols, and you get every kind of data for your analysis via the MantSent dashboard and the MantSent Telegram agent. So this is how it works basically. So we have a Telegram bot, the MantSent bot, which the user actually interacts with. Set up the agent, register your agent 844, and set the policy and let your agent do the monitoring. So it continuously monitors your wallet by communicating with the Mantle blockchain, and if it detects an abnormal transaction based on the policy which you set it, it'll actually send notification back to Telegram. And also it details like every data which your Telegram bot and your agent actually uses is actually stored in the backend and in the database, and you could get that data and via a dashboard which intelligently analyzes it and gives it in a much more crunchable form, uh, like this. So it's particularly useful for analysis and those kind of stuff basically. And you could give your agent basically responses, feedback, so that it gets better over time and those kind of stuff. So I'll give you a demo of how things work next. So yeah, let's do that. So let's see a demo of how things work. So we have an agent set up. So let's start from the beginning basically. So I'm going to clear the state, start over. So yeah, so you'll get your dashboard link here. Just go to that, and it will show you your personalized dashboard. Just a sec. Yeah, yes. So this is the state right now. So you have to deploy your own agent basically. So let's deploy my own agent here. So let's deploy the SAM agent or something, some old agent. So it's going to do the registering locally and and registering on the Mantle chain basically. And it's yes, it will feel registered, and now you could watch your own wallet, right? So I'm gonna watch my wallet, which is funded with a lot of Mantle. So let's take it. It supports both Mantle and ERC20, by the way. So let's give it that here, and let's see if it makes sense. So it's register your wallet, and it's do the configuration, and let's set a policy. So that the policy could be like more than 5 MNT leaves my wallet. I love me or something. Like you could do much more complex tasks. Like it's just simple, but you could give it much more complex. Since it's an agent, it is intelligent enough to analyze your input. So it's actually storing the proof on chain, which you can see here. Okay, this is a contract. See, it's committing policy. And every kind of things, every kind of audit proof, it's just recording on chain. So that's it, and yeah, so I think it should be up. So we enable the monitoring, and next what we do is so we have a grok agent setup. You could give your own OpenAI key or something for more intelligent analysis. So yeah, so that's happening, and next we'll try to send some amount to any other wallet basically. So let's send some MNTs. Yeah, send some MNTs to my second wallet or something. Yeah, so my this account. Let's send 10 MNTs. See if it works, and yeah, let's give it something. So it's sending that amount basically, and once it's sent, it would. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it here. So while that's happening, wait to detect an anomaly, and so right now it detected, and it detected that anomaly, and it gives back a reasoning. I see it or something. So this is, since it's an expected transfer, I could give it feedback. But if it's suspicious, I can give that feedback. So the agent gets better over time. So we store the states in our DB, so the agent learns on the go, and your agent actually gets better over time. So over time, your agent's got to be super intelligent for this particular policy, and that's how things work basically. So this is expert. So let's give it a suspicious transfer. So next time it learns more, and you could if you go to the dashboard, you could see that it's okay. Yeah. you will get that inside console on results. Every kind of data each you set it is basically here. I think it's right on results since we gave a feedback, so it gets better over time. So let's do one more transfer basically to see that this works again. So let's do one more, maybe some other account, maybe some ATMT or something. I'm gonna send it. So I sent the ATMT and it right now it detected that particular transaction. So I could say okay, it's suspicious again, and I could give that kind of information back to the agent, and it learns over time. You could give like every kind of system, like right now it's unresolved because it's thinking that I haven't given a feedback, but since I pressed a button, I think it should come as resolved, I guess. Yes, it came as resolved, so that's how things work, and you can see every kind of proofs which is audited. So every kind of audit proof is on chain in our ledger basically. And that's it. That's basically the app. So it's an intelligent Telegram agent for monitoring your valuable wallets, basically. So that's it. Thank you for listening. And this is MantSent. Try it out. It's deployed live. You could try it out right now by typing in MantSent. And wish you good luck. And hope your wallets are safe. Thank you, guys. And use MantSent to secure your wallets and analyze the data. So thank you, guys. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.